Hello viewers, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I will explain you about PMT function in Excel, that is payment function in Excel. This is one of the important financial function. Using this function, we can calculate the repayment amount of a particular loan. A loan, it can be a personal loan, house loan or a car loan. So if a person is getting a loan approved from a bank and if he wants to know what would be the repayment amount with some particular tenure, that is for 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, with some rate of interest per annum, then it can be done with PMT function. So before getting a loan approved, we can easily come to know what would be the monthly payment we will have to pay with a fixed rate of interest. So in Excel it is done very quickly and easily. Let's see how. So here I have taken the example of car loan with zero down payment. I have some parameters here. Now car loan is of worth 5 lakh, duration is 2 years, interest rate per annum is 8.70%. So I have these three parameters. Now I want to know what is the repayment amount every month with this duration and rate of interest. Let's see how to use this. PMT is equals to PMT rate. So this rate is for per annum. So what I will do is I will divide this with 12 comma number of periods. The duration years is 2 years. Select the cell reference and multiply with 12 because here I have to mention number of months. So the value is in years. So I am multiplying that value to convert from years to months. That is B32 into 12 comma principal amount, that is present value, close parenthesis. That's all. And to avoid getting negative number, please put the minus symbol before PMT. That's all. So this is the amount which we have to pay back each and every month until 2 years. Now if the duration is in months, then what would be the formula? It's very simple. Do not multiply with 12. Just put this cell reference. That's all. Instead of 2, if I have 24 as a value, considering the period as months, then no need to multiply that value with 12. Just give the cell reference of that value. That's all. Now total amount to pay. What is the total amount we will have to pay within 2 years for completing the car loan of 5 lakhs is equals to EMI into simple 24. The 24 is already available in B3. And total interest, total amount to pay minus car loan. This is the interest we have to bond for car loan. Now if I increase the period 36 months, automatically amount changes. If I decrease also, amount changes. So this is what the PMT function is all about. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel if not and also hit the bell button for getting latest video updates. Watch my previous videos and do like, share, comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.